Okay, we're going to do the number 7,218 divided by 3. So I am going to start out drawing my 3 circles since I'm dividing by 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and show the 7,000. Now, I'm not good at drawing those cubes, so I'm just going to draw circles and write that each one is worth 1,000. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to draw my 200s, my 110, and my 8 ones. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is share, starting with my biggest number, my thousands. But to keep track of it, I am going to come down here and draw my division box, which is really just a place for your chart. So I've got 7 in the thousands place, a 2 in the hundreds place, a 1 in my tens place, and an 8 in my ones place. I am dividing by 3. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to put 1,000 in each of my circles. So I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have that 1,000 left over, but I can't take 1,000 and share it equally among these 3 groups. So I'm going to take this 1,000 and I'm going to trade it for 10 hundreds. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, down here in my place value box, my division box, I'm going to mark how many thousands are in each circle. Well, there were 2. Then if I have 2 in each circle, that's 2, 4, 6 of them. So I've used 6. That's where I had that 1 left over right here. So I've marked it down here in my box. I'm going to take this 1, and I've already done that where I traded it, so now it's in the hundreds place, and now I just bring that over and now I have 12 hundreds. So now I'm going to share my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this time I don't have any leftovers, and that's okay. But down here in my box, I'm going to mark how many hundreds were in each of my circles. There were 4 in each one. So I'm going to write that there were 4 hundreds. Whenever I count how many I used, 4, 8, 12 hundreds. So then I have 0 left over, which is exactly what my picture showed me here. So this time I don't have any hundreds to break into my tens. So now if I have one $10 bill, can I share? I can't share that equally with 3 people. So I can't put any tens. There are 0 tens in each of my circles, and that's okay. But here I'm going to take this 110. I'm going to break it into 10 ones, So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And I had, because I didn't put any 10s in there, I used 0 of them, which meant I had 1 left. I had to break that into 1s. So now I have 18 ones, which we can count our dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to take my 18 ones and I'm going to put them into these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18. Now, aside from me making a mistake right there, and I did cross that out because I realized, hey, wait a second, I have to put it in each group, not 2 in one group. So, how many 1s did I use? First, I have 6 in each one, so that's where I get my 6 that goes on top here. 6, 12, 18. I used 18 of them. I have 0 ones left over. Now to check my work, this right here is my answer, because I still have, in this box, I have 2 1,000s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, I have 0 10s, and 6 1s. That's exactly what I got here. I can add my comma. So to check it, I'm going to take 2,406 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 more is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to write my 2, carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So I've got that same number I started with. So to answer the question, 7,218 divided by 3 equals 2,406. Ta-da!